In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a subscriber in Kit. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll feel confident adding a single person to your email list manually, and you'll also understand what each option on the screen actually means and why it matters. Let's start from your Kit dashboard. Once you're logged in, look for the main navigation menu and find the section labeled Grow. This is where all of your audience building tools live. Go ahead and click on Grow and then choose Subscribers. That will take you to your subscribers page, where you can see everyone who's already on your list. On this page, you'll notice a button labeled Add Subscribers. This is your starting point whenever you want to manually add someone new. Click on that button, and a few different options will appear. Since we're focusing on adding just one person, choose the option that says One Subscriber. This tells Kit you're entering a single contact by hand, rather than importing a big list. Now you'll see a simple form to fill out. The two most important fields here are the email address and the first name. Type in the subscriber's email address carefully because this is how all of your messages will reach them. It's a good idea to double-check for typos before moving on. Then add their first name. This might feel optional, but using a first name lets you personalize your emails later, which can really improve engagement. Below that, you'll see some optional settings: a form, a sequence, and a tag. These are not required, but they're extremely helpful for staying organized and automating your marketing. If you choose a form, you're basically telling Kit to treat this subscriber as if they had signed up through that specific form on your site. This can help keep your reporting consistent. If you select a sequence, you can automatically enroll them into a pre-written series of emails, such as a welcome sequence or a mini course. This is perfect if you want them to start receiving content right away without any extra work from you. Finally, tags let you label this subscriber based on things like interests, campaigns, or how you know them. Over time, tags make it much easier to segment your audience and send more targeted emails. Once you've entered the email, the first name, and any optional form, sequence, or tag you want to use, you're ready to finish up. Click the Save button. Kit will add that person to your list, apply any settings you chose, and you'll see them appear in your subscribers table. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added a single subscriber in Kit.